what's up you guys, Styles here. Welcome to another video. If this is your first time on the channel, hey, go ahead and do the needful. It's absolutely free and I totally appreciate it. So it's 2024 and I'm guessing you guys clicked on the video for one of two reasons. You guys got a new printer over the holidays, or as part of your New Year's resolution, you want to upscale your business, and doing so is Sublimation. Whichever the case, I got you covered. This video is about Sublimation. We're going to share with you guys the best time and temperature for your press, what type of t-shirts that I'm using, as well as what you need to achieve this whole Sublimation deal. And stay tuned to the end of the video where we'll have a special tip for you guys. Never heard before. Anyway, meet me at the heat press and we'll get started. Okay, so for Sublimation you need a few things. First thing you need is a t-shirt. In this case, we got the Gildan, 50% cotton, 50% polyester. After you got your t-shirt, you need your butcher paper. I went ahead and I've cut two pieces of the paper. The first piece I've inserted inside of the shirt. After that, I've got my design that I've printed out on my printer. 4 fingers down from the collar. Once you place your design where you want it, you're going to take your second piece of butcher paper, and this is going to protect your platen. So the first piece is going to protect your shirt so that the ink does not bleed through, so you won't get any ghosting. And the other one is going to go ahead and protect the platen. So, how's it been? How's it going? Me, I mean, it's been so much with me, but we're not here for me, we're here for you. I see me all the time. Wow. That's neat. Yeah, I mean, just wrapped up, son's off to college. That's crazy. The senior year went by so quick. Yeah, I mean, looking forward to new things. So stay tuned. I'm gonna take you guys along with me and all that good stuff. But yeah, just be more consistent. That's the key for me too. I mean, that's what I'm after, being more consistent. So, hey, we'll keep each other accountable. So let me go ahead and get this shirt before it burns. But yeah, anytime, like drop a comment, like shoot me an email. 2024 is like part of my New Year's resolution is I want to build more of a community. I want to be more entrenched. You know what I'm saying? I want to be more sociable. Less on social media, more social with the people. Once again, this has been Styles. You guys be kind, and I'll see you on the next one. So if you stuck around this long, let me first off say that you're a real one, and I truly appreciate you. Second off, I would have never stuck around this long. But in any case, the tip of the day is look both ways before you cross the street. Styles. I'm still messing up shirts and wasting materials. So don't let that discourage you. Keep going. You're one ideal away. And when you do hit big, remember who your friends are. This is Styles.